How to use Winman CA-ERP. Selected assessment year and status are shown here. To change, click here or press F6 key. Select required assessment year and status in this window. Click OK. Enter all the details. Select applicable due date from the list. Senior or very senior is automatically selected, if applicable. Click here to save the file. Tick required heads of income and select the number of sources against respective head. Help links are given to provide you instant help. Press F5 key, or click Next to move to Computation window. Here you can enter the income details and compute the tax. This image represents the subtable. Click here or press F11 key to open the same. Drop-down lists are provided to make your data entry easier. Click here or press F4 key to select the same. Press F12 key, or click OK to close the subtable. Profit is auto-calculated here. You can edit the same if necessary. Click OK. Total income, tax, EC, interests are automatically calculated. You can print the computation details using this option. Click here to get computation details in an Excel file. Click here to go to ITR data entry window. Based on your income details, the applicable ITR is recommended. Details entered in home page are auto-filled here. If all details are filled, you can generate IT return and submit. To generate paper return, click here or press F8 key. To generate e-return, click here or press F9 key. In case of any incomplete or inconsistent data entry, software will show errors or warnings before generating return. Double-click on error to locate the same. Rectify the error. Click here to revalidate. Your XML file is generated. Save it. Now you will be connected to IT e-filing website, and the XML file will be automatically attached in upload page. Thank you.